Hello, everyone. Welcome to this slow English practice session. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Today, we will learn English in a very simple way. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about mistakes. Just listen. Understand slowly. Repeat after me. You can learn English. Yes, you can. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is soft and warm. The air feels fresh and clean. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my body. I feel calm and peaceful. I get out of bed. I walk to the window. I look outside. I see the sky. The sky is blue. I see birds flying. The birds are happy. They sing sweet songs. I smile. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. The water is cool. I brush my teeth slowly. I look in the mirror. I say, "Today is a good day. I believe in myself. I am learning English. I am improving every day." I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. The tea is hot. I sit on a chair. I drink slowly. I enjoy the moment. Simple things make me happy. A cup of tea. A quiet morning. Every day, I practice English. I listen to English audio. I repeat the words. Sometimes I speak slowly. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I do not stop. Hello again. Welcome back. Take a deep breath. Relax your body. Focus your mind. Now, we continue our journey. Today, we will speak more. We will think more. We will improve more. Remember, practice every day. Do not stop. I wake up with a smile. I feel positive. I feel strong. I say to myself, I am confident. I am learning fast. I look at the mirror. I speak clearly. I practice my voice. I say, "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." Speaking daily is important. Even alone, even for a few minutes. I go outside again. I see people. I observe everything. I try to describe things. The sky is clear. The sun is bright. The road is busy. People are walking fast. This practice is powerful. It trains your brain. It builds fluency. Now repeat slowly. I see a tree. The tree is tall. The tree is green. Very good. I go to a shop. I buy some food. I try to speak English. Even simple words are enough. Do not be afraid. Just try. Confidence grows with action. The more you speak, the better you become. I return home. I sit quietly. I read a short story. Reading helps a lot. It improves vocabulary. It builds understanding. I underline new words. I repeat them. I use them in sentences. Example, happy. I am happy. She's happy. Simple practice is the best. Do not make it hard. Keep it easy. In the evening, I listen again. Slow English audio. Clear pronunciation. I follow the voice. I repeat every sentence. I improve my accent. Accent is not important. Clarity is important. Confidence is important. Say this with me. I speak clearly. I speak slowly. I speak confidently. Before sleep, I relax. I close my eyes. I listen again. My brain learns, even in rest. This is powerful. This is smart learning. Day by day, I become better. Word by word, I become fluent. I do not compare myself. I focus on my progress. I move forward. Sometimes learning is slow. Sometimes it is fast. Both are okay. The important thing is, do not stop. Repeat again. I will not give up. I will keep learning. I will succeed. You are stronger than you think. You are smarter than you know. You can do this. English is just a language. It is not magic. It is practice. The more you practice, the better you become. Now take a deep breath. Smile. Feel proud. You are learning. You are growing. You are improving. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. See you again. Reading helps me understand. Speaking helps me improve. Sometimes I listen to music. English songs are fun. They help me learn new words. I repeat the lyrics slowly. I enjoy the sound. I feel confident. Confidence is very important. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything. Say this with me. I believe in myself. I can do it. In the afternoon, I take a short rest. I close my eyes. I relax. Then I wake up again. I feel fresh. I continue learning. I watch simple English videos. I listen carefully. I understand more every day. At first, it was difficult, but now it is easier. Practice makes it easy. In the evening, I talk to myself. Yes, I talk to myself in English. I say, "Today was a good day. I learned new words." This helps a lot. It improves speaking. It builds confidence. At night, I sit quietly. I think about my day. I feel proud. I am improving. Step by step, day by day. Before sleep, I listen again. Slow English audio. Soft and calm. It helps my brain. It helps me remember. It makes learning easy. Now repeat again. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I will not give up. Learning English is a journey. It takes time. It needs patience. But you can do it. Stay consistent. Practice daily. You are doing great. Keep going. Never stop learning.